try it. Whoa! Ready? Let's see. Trick shot day. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some Nerf blasters here.
Yeah.
How many do we got?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's just some empty.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take all those, we're going to go one by one, we're going to do some trick shots. First trick shot is taking down this house with one of these blasters. So take one. Oh yeah, good choice, let's go. So I'm going to give you a nice distance. Let's go to that door. Let's go to the door and see all the way to the door. All the way to the door. See if you can take it out.
Okay.
Do you think?
Yeah, I think.
Let's see. Oh! Okay, so this time I will be here with the camera. Let's see. Okay, I have another challenge for you. Can
Oh,
you...
not one.
Wow, that's pretty powerful. Took one out. I have a challenge for you. Can you take this one that has the regular darts and shoot the dart through this window? What do you think of that? And hit this camera. Do you think that's possible?
Almost.
Almost. Oh!
One more bullet. Last bullet.
Oh! Not too
At
bad.
the top of the thing. Oh.
So you got the new blaster. Can you hit this egg and dip it into this bucket? Do you think it's possible? Alright, go set up in that corner. Ready? Let's see. Whoa! You uncap this peanut jar?
Yes.
Let's try it. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Whoa! Hey, I have one final trick shot challenge for you. Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's set it up. I got some for you. Boom! Massive Nerf dart. You have to take that. You have to go all the way upstairs.
Yeah.
And you have to aim it into this bucket. This dart has to go into that bucket all the way from upstairs. Yup. Throw it with 2 hands. Launch it like... Oh! Look at that! Nice! Nice! Good job. Guys, click like, subscribe, and if they like this video, we do more trick shots in the next ones. Bye.
Bye.